This was the whole cycle that we just discussed in our previous bites. There was ovarian cycle, in which there were 3 steps: follicular phase, ovulation and luteal phase, and in the uterine cycle there was menstrual cycle, proliferative phase, secretory phase, and ovulation in between. So now we're going to talk about the changes that are going to occur in cervix and vagina. Well, cervix and vagina are kind of a part of the uterine cycle. So we're going to talk about the proliferative phase changes and the secretory phase changes in the uterine cycle of cervix and vagina. The mucous membrane of cervix also shows cyclic changes during different phases of menstrual cycle. So in the proliferative phase, the mucous membrane of cervix becomes thinner and more alkaline due to the influence of estrogen. So it's going to help in the survival and motility of spermatozoa. And during the secretory phase, the mucous membrane of cervix becomes thicker and adhesive because of the action of progesterone. So in the proliferative phase, estrogen is going to act, and in the secretory phase, progesterone is acting. So in the vagina, epithelial cells of vagina are going to be cornified, and this is going to be because of the estrogen. And in the secretory phase, vaginal epithelium proliferates due to the action of progesterone, and it is also infiltrated with the leukocytes. And these 2 changes increase the resistance of vagina for infection. So what happens here is that in cervix and vagina, during proliferative phase, estrogen is going to act, and in the secretory phase, progesterone is going to be acting. So that was all for the changes in the cervix and vagina. And I guess I have covered all of the parts of the menstrual cycle, but stick around because I'm going to give you a brief summary of what we just learned earlier. So stay tuned.